Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use card evolution in Clash Royale. First, understand that card evolution significantly boosts a card's power, giving it a unique ability. To unlock an evolved card, you must collect 6 evolution shards specific to that card. Once unlocked, you can assign it to one of your deck's evolution slots. This process transforms a familiar card into a formidable asset, ready to turn the tide of battle with its enhanced capabilities and distinct visual flair. To activate an evolved card in battle, you must first ensure it is placed in one of your deck's 2 evolution slots. During gameplay, you will need to cycle the card a specific number of times, typically 1 or 2 cycles, before its evolved form becomes available. Once ready, the card will glow with a distinct aura in your hand, indicating it can now be deployed with its powerful new ability. This strategic timing is crucial for maximizing its impact. Strategic deployment is key to mastering card evolution. You should aim to deploy your evolved cards at critical moments, such as during a strong offensive push or to counter a formidable enemy attack. Each evolved card possesses a unique ability, so understanding its optimal timing and effect is paramount. For instance, an evolved royal giant might be best used to break through defenses, while an evolved skeletons could provide overwhelming swarm support. Combine them wisely for devastating results. To truly maximize the benefits of card evolution, consistent practice is essential. Experiment with different evolved cards to master their unique mechanics and understand how they interact with various deck archetypes. Pay close attention to how your opponents react to your evolved card deployments, learning to anticipate their counters. Finally, consider adjusting your overall deck composition to perfectly complement the strengths of your chosen evolved card, creating powerful synergies that can lead to more consistent victories and higher trophy counts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.